How to make your video 4K in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make your video 4K in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app and then click create project. And now you have to just import any project by clicking this drag and drop videos, photos and audio files here. You can just drag or you can click import over here and just import any project that you want to work on. For example, I want to work on this project over here, and now you have to click this plus sign and add it to the track. Now just edit the video as you like. You can set the ratio over here, the audio, and you can choose speed and do anything to the video. And once done with all the process, you have to simply click export on the top right corner, and it's going to give you this window over here. On this window you can see this resolution under the video section. Just click this resolution option over here and it's going to give you this drop down menu, and in this drop down menu you have to choose 4K. Once you do so, click export and it's going to automatically export the video in 4K. And that's how you get a 4K video in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.